Hi po! Hello everyone! This is Irene and Lola! Ayan, outfit check. Baby, outfit check. Come on, stand up. Nag-jump siya. Ayan. So, Irene is wearing pink track pants. Ayan. Cords from Kmart. It's baby pink. Yan. Turn around. Turn around ka muna. Nag-jump. Turn around muna. Turn around. Ayan. Turn around. And this one is size. Anong size na ito? Size 1. And Irene is only 5 months old. Ayan. And ayan. Yung headband niya is flower. Color pink. Ayan. See ya! Thanks for watching! Flying kiss muna, baby. Flying kiss. Mwah!